Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be covering Tron and kind of highlighting how it's a very bullish chart, especially considering the rest of the market, and kind of going over my price analysis on this token. So if you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. All right, so let's dive in here. First, I want to start off by showing you guys how I have this red zone outlined here, roughly between 4.7 cents and 5.3 cents. So as you can see in the past, it has acted as a key region here where we had this consolidation, and then following this consolidation we had a significant rally that ultimately took us up to the peak at around 18 cents. And then when we came back down, we formed this double bottom around the support region at roughly 5 cents. And you can see as we bounced off of that, we formed this kind of double top similar to the rest of the market. And you know, we came back down and then we retested it again, and we're seeing some follow through how we have formed some subtle higher lows, and you know, a higher high right here made it roughly 8 cents. So this trend is actually really good looking because the rest of the market has been forming lower lows and losing support regions. So not only are we holding this red zone, which has acted as a major support region, but we're also forming higher lows, which is starting to look like the end of this downtrend and maybe the start of a new uptrend. So not only does it have this bullish structure, but it has it during a time that is really bearish for the rest of the market. And you know, that's kind of showing you how Tron has relative strength compared to other altcoins, where other altcoins are bleeding far more significantly than Tron is, and Tron is just kind of holding its ground. So I would say if we take back this 8 cent high and we start forming higher highs, then that would be absolutely phenomenal for the price action. And you could see how quickly we could start, you know, trending back up to say some of these higher levels. Ultimately, at the 12 cent mark, if we take out this high, then it would be very clear skies ahead. But I do think that, you know, this is ultimately going to depend on how Bitcoin continues to perform, right? So if Bitcoin is dropping towards, you know, the low $30,000 level and then ultimately losing that, I would be very worried for altcoins, including Tron. Even if it looks very bullish right now, I think if Bitcoin is starting to lose 30,000, you really don't want to be in altcoins, and you know, they possess such a higher risk with you know, overall, if the market's bearish like that, altcoins do not do well. They typically underperform Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin would drop, say, 10%, and altcoins would drop 20%. And this is pretty evident over the past few months, right? You see how Bitcoin's dropped 50% or so, and specific altcoins are down 80% roughly. So I would definitely be cautious if you see Bitcoin starting to lose ground. But if it does hold itself at, you know, $38,000, then obviously this has room to grow and continue this mini uptrend we're starting to form. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy, and as always, I will see you in the next one.